Making sense of objective case, a reflection on English learning. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are doing a reflection on objective case learning. This is a fantastic opportunity to go over what we've learned, strengthen our understanding, and make sure we're confident in using objective case in our everyday English. Let's recall. The objective case refers to when a noun or pronoun is used as an object within a sentence. The object can be the object of a verb, a preposition, or an infinitive. For example, in the sentence, John kicked the ball, the word ball is the direct object of the verb kicked, and it's in the objective case. Pronouns change form when they are in the objective case. Examples include me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. It's important to use these forms correctly. For instance, in the sentence, she gave me the book, me is the object of the verb gave and is in the objective case. There are some common mistakes people make with the objective case. A typical error is using a pronoun in the subjective case where the objective case is required. For example, saying, she gave I the book, instead of, she gave me the book. Another common mistake is, between you and I, whereas it should be, between you and me. Reflecting on our learning helps us improve our understanding and correct our errors. Consider your experience with the objective case. Have you made some of the common mistakes? Were there any difficulties you faced in understanding and using the objective case? What strategies have you used to overcome them? Take a few minutes to think about this. Perhaps jot down your thoughts, and if you're comfortable, share with us in the comments. That's all for our reflection on objective case learning. The more you think about and engage with these grammar rules, the easier they will become. Keep practicing, and remember, every mistake is a step closer to mastery. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video.